What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today, I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Best Buy of 2019. That's right, I headed over to my local Best Buy and picked up the Google Pixel 3a. I was so impressed with it when it came out. This phone was $399. Sprint is currently having a promotion where if you buy it at Best Buy and activate it, you can actually get it for about $299. There are always deals and promotions for it. I think for a couple of weeks ago, you could even pick this thing up and get a Google Home Hub Mini. That deal is no longer, but anyways, the point is they're always having deals and promotions with these things. And not only that, but you're getting flagship specifications. You're getting an OLED screen, that really awesome camera. I was actually messing around with the camera in Best Buy, and it looks amazing. So I decided to pick this up and do an unboxing and a first impressions of it. I'm going to have this phone for a few weeks. I'm going to do some reviews with it and tell you guys what I think about it. Currently, I'm filming this unboxing and first impressions on my iPhone 10. I really do need an Android phone in the house. Also, I may give this iPhone 10 to my mom for the meantime. She does need a new phone. So let me know what you guys think. Should I actually end up giving her this phone or maybe give her the iPhone 10? I do use Apple products, so, I'm kind of a little bit skeptical about getting away from the iPhone in general, but I really do want an Android device around, and I want to get used to using something like this. I picked this up in purple. I like the purple. It's got the neon green power button on the side there. It's you can just see it there. All right, so let's go ahead and do this unboxing and first impressions. Unfortunately, I cannot flip the camera around, so I actually cheated a little bit and took the stickers off on the back here. So let's just go ahead and unbox it on my lap. We'll go ahead and take her off just like that. Throw that off to the side there. And here she is, and this is like a lavender purple, really pretty phone. I actually love this color. Like I said, you get a really nice camera on the back. I think it's 12 megapixels. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. You get the really nice OLED display and, of course, unlimited photo storage with Google Photos. So maybe I'll even use this phone to record some of my other videos. Anyways, let's put the phone off to the side for a minute. And that is just some trash there. We can put that off to the side. And, of course, we get SIM ejector tool and some other items in the box, which is really nice. I'm actually going to go ahead and take the SIM card out of my phone today and activate this Google Pixel 3a in the car here in just a few moments as soon as we're done with this unboxing and first impression. So what's really cool is they do give you the SIM ejector tool, which I like, which allows me to set it up now. User manuals and guides and things like that, I don't think we'll need them. We'll put it off to the side. In the box, you get USB-C to USB Type-C. I did not know that. I wasn't expecting to get USB Type-C, but here it is, USB Type-C, as you can see. No pun intended there. Really nice. So you're getting upgraded features at this really low cost. I think the chip that you're getting on the inside is the Snapdragon 610. This phone, I believe, has 3 gigabytes of RAM. So not too bad. It should be pretty. Google software should be pretty optimized to run on this device using the processor that it currently has. Okay, so enough of me talking. This is some type of USB-C to standard USB dongle or adapter, which is really nice. So if I want to transfer files, I guess, I'm not sure. That will definitely come in handy, though. If I don't use it for the device, I definitely will use it around the house. Like I said, I have a MacBook Pro, so, this will come in handy either way. What else do we get in the box here? And, of course, you get the charging brick, which is really nice. So, yeah, everything is looking pretty good here. That's obviously also USB Type-C. Really excited so far. I actually wasn't expecting to get some of the things that came with it in the box. So let's go ahead and get the let's go ahead and get a better view there. Let's go ahead and get the stickers and things off the phone here. Trying to do this with one hand is not an easy task, guys. But that just peels, almost dropped it. That just peels right off like so. Really nerve-wracking. I really don't want things falling in between the seat, and I really don't want to scratch the display, as you can probably imagine. So it turns on right there. The reason why I went with the purple is because you get that really cool neon power button on the side there. This phone is sort of reminiscent of the iPhone 5, the elongated iPhone 4. If you guys remember from like a few years ago, they just recently discontinued the iPhone 5s, but it had the aluminum on the back and the glass on the top. This is not aluminum. It's actually a polycarbonate plastic. It feels like glass. It feels really nice. It feels really premium and high quality. I am super excited about this device. You also get the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. As you can see, there's also what looks to be a microphone port. So the phone is starting up here. Like I said, you get that OLED display. The colors just look so robust and so bright. Everything, that's one thing about having an OLED display phone is you never want to go back to an LCD panel. And currently with the iPhone 10, yeah, I have that OLED display, but I was looking for an Android phone out there that had a really nice OLED display. There was the Sony Xperia XZ10 or the X10. It was like $275. I could have gone with that, but I was just so, like I said earlier, I was just so impressed with this Google Pixel 3a. I think it's a great value. It is the best buy of 2019. It was actually leaked in Best Buy a few months ago before it was announced officially. I think there were 3A XL leaks at Best Buy. That right there did it for me. And of course the price, and like I said, all the features, you get those great software camera features that you get with the regular Pixel on this phone. You don't get the updated processor or anything like that, but being that this software should be optimized for this phone, I'm pretty much looking forward to using it. And also I'm pretty sure Apple Music has an Android app, so I can as long as I can listen to my music, I'm cool. Anyways, guys, this has been an unboxing and a first impressions of the Google Pixel 3a. I got it in lavender purple. I think it's just purple or something like that. It looks like yogurt to me. I think it's a really cool looking color. It's got the fingerprint scanner on the back, single camera with a flash. My name is John. The Google Pixel 3a XL is the best buy of 2019. You can pick it up at Best Buy for a pretty good deal if you have Sprint. Keep up to date with some other promotions as well. I also run a tech news and consumer news segment on this show, on this channel. So, if there's any other deals, I'll also keep you posted that way. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry that this wasn't a more official unboxing and first impressions in my house and with my really nice camera. I'm super excited. I just wanted to do this right now, get the phone set up. Anyways, guys, my name is John, and I will see you in the next video.